What is up, YouTuber? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Human. If you don't know who I am, I have another YouTube channel with over 5 million subscribers, and today on this channel I'm teaching you 5 ways you can make as much money as possible from your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos, even if you're somebody who's just starting out YouTube on a brand new and small channel. Let's do it. The first and the most obvious way is YouTube ads, right? Even the YouTube viewers know that us YouTubers make money from the ads that play on our YouTube videos. Now, I don't want to go too in-depth to describe how YouTube ads work. I'll make a whole separate video on that later, so subscribe and watch that video when I release it. But basically, Google is a company that owns YouTube. Google actually bought YouTube a few years ago. So the way it works is advertisers like Coke, Pepsi, Amazon, Audible, Mercedes, BMW, they go to Google, give Google a bunch of money, and they send their ads, and Google then places those ads on its YouTube videos. So you as a YouTuber, you can actually have those ads play on your videos, and every time someone clicks those ads and watches the content, you as a creator get paid for that. Of course, it's not much money per view, but when it adds up, when you're getting a lot of views, it adds up to a good amount of money. I have a channel myself with over 5 million subscribers, so I do get a lot of views on my videos. My biggest one has over 100 million views, and you can bet that's made me a lot of money on Google AdSense, which is what Google has named its program where they put ads on your videos. Now, how do you qualify and what do you need in order to have Google and YouTube place ads on your YouTube videos? Well, the old YouTube, anybody could have ads on their videos. You could literally open a brand new channel with 0 subscribers and start making money from the ads that play on your videos. But YouTube recently added some new qualifications you need to have on your channel before you're able to have ads and you're able to enable ads and monetization on your channel. And it's very simple. All you need to have is 2 things: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, once again, I'll make a whole separate video just on the YouTube AdSense program and how to activate it on your channel, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and your 4,000 hours of watch time. The second way, and my personal favorite, and where I've personally made the most amount of money on as a YouTuber, is actually sponsorships, right? So right now it's 2019 and there's so many famous YouTubers that are creating content on YouTube, and it's not only viewers that watch YouTube. Big companies, advertisers also see us creators having so many subscribers and getting so many views. So instead of spending their money on billboards and TV ads, they're starting to spend money on social media influencers. So you as a person that has a vlog channel, or me as somebody who has a prank channel, or a girl that has a makeup channel, well, guess what? We'll get approached, and we do get approached by big brands saying, "Hey Human," or "Hey Ashley," "Hey Tom, we love your videos. We want to pay you $5,000 or $1,000. Or if you're really new, they'll still give you free products. If you're somebody who has 200 subscribers, of course they're not going to give you $5,000, but you better bet they'll email you and say, "Hey, Tom, we saw your channel. We know you have only 5 videos up. Great stuff. We want to send you our free camera or a free iPhone case, and we're wondering if you could do an unboxing video. If it performs really well, like your last videos, we would love to work with you again next week, and we'll pay you $500 this time." So me as somebody with 5 million subscribers, of course I get offers with a lot of money. The biggest sponsor I've had actually paid me upwards of $70,000 for a single video. All I had to do was say, guys, I've been playing this app, and I actually did play the app, of course, before I talked about it on my own channel. I played the app, and I just promoted it to my own audience. I showed the app that belonged to this big company, and I promoted it to millions of people on my channel. And the company paid me $70,000 to do that. Of course, I have 5 million subscribers. As somebody who's just starting out, you're not gonna get massive offers like that. But I remember when I first started my channel, the first week I was already getting emails about, hey Human, we want to give you a free product for you to make an unboxing video on. And as I had a few more thousand subscribers, a couple thousand, I would get emails of sponsors that wanted to pay me money on top of giving me a free product. I'm also going to make a whole separate video on how to find sponsors and how to negotiate the best deal and the best contract for yourself when you get approached and when you're working with sponsors, because they always email you saying things like, hey, we want to pay you 50 bucks for a video, and then you have to email them back and say, you know what, I really want to work with you, but I don't think I can do it for 50 bucks. What if I do 2 videos for you for 300 bucks or for 250? That's called upselling yourself in business, and it's a very important thing you have to learn if you want to be a YouTuber and make as much money from your content. The third way to make money as a YouTuber and from your videos is through having your own merchandise. Of course, you can't really do this if you're a brand new YouTuber with like 10 subscribers, but once you have, let's say, 1,000 subscribers, once you have 1,000 people that have clicked that subscribe button because they liked your previous videos, then that means those people would buy a shirt from you that has your channel name on it, or has your face on it, or something cool and creative like that. How do you start your own merchandise? 2 different ways you can do it. I personally do it the easy way, which is I hire companies like Teespring that will do everything for you. So they will create and design the shirt, they will fulfill and print the shirts, they will deal with the customer service, they'll take the payments, deal with refunds and all that, and all you do is take a percentage of the profits and give them a little bit of a fee for making everything happen. Or you can go the crazy way where you manage everything yourself. Of course, you make much more money then because you don't pay anyone else any money, but it's much harder. Either way, I know how to do both ways, so I'll make a whole video on how to make money through having a merch line on a separate video. So subscribe to this channel so you don't miss that video. Way number 4 is through digital products and limited edition or exclusive content. So let's start from digital products. I am a YouTuber with 5 million subscribers, and I can say over the past 5 years of me doing YouTube, I've mastered the art of growing on social media. So I have my own digital product available for my fans to purchase, and that's my YouTube mentorship program. It's a high ticket product, meaning it's an expensive product. Not everyone is going to be able to afford, but those that are very serious about learning YouTube growth strategies can buy my program, and that's my digital product. There's also a limited edition product. So you can say, hey guys, on my merch store, I'm gonna have 500 of these shirts available for sale for a limited time. I'm never ever going to bring them back again. And for exclusive content, you can say, hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Well, part 2 of this video isn't going to be available on public on my YouTube channel. If you want to see part 2, you have to become a member of my YouTube channel. If you don't know what that means, being a member of a YouTube channel, YouTube just released a new way to monetize your channel, and that's channel memberships. So your fans that subscribe to your channel for free can now pay a fee every month to become a member and have access to exclusive content that you'll post only to your members on your channel. So that's one way. I've also seen a lot of big YouTubers do like a diss track video. So they'll do a diss track on another big YouTuber. I'm talking about Ricegum and Logan Paul. So Ricegum did a diss track on Logan Paul, and people loved the diss track. And Ricegum said, guys, part 2 of this diss track will be available on iTunes only for like $2. And guess what? This first video had like 20 million views, and about 1 million people out of the 20 million went on iTunes and bought that diss track part 2 for like $2. So 1 million people buying this track part 2 for $2, well, that's a lot of money for Ricegum for doing a exclusive video. Way number 5 to make as much money from your YouTube videos is through collaborations and shoutouts. No matter who you are and how big your channel is, you're always going to have someone else, another YouTuber that makes the same or similar videos to you that's much smaller than you who wants to collab. I personally, having a channel with 5 million subscribers, I'm always getting DMs on Instagram and emails. Who man, let's collaborate. I love your videos. I have some really cool ideas. So what I do is I have my assistant send him an email back saying, hey, Who Man would love to collaborate with you. Of course, Who Man has a much of a bigger channel than you, but if we can find a way to do business, he'd be down. So, you know, if that person who has a very small channel is down to pay me money for a feature, collaboration, or a shout out, or whatever you want to call it, then we can make it happen. So let's say you're a vlogger that lives in New York and you have 10,000 subscribers on your vlog channel. Well, let's say you have a lot of fans in New York that watch your videos and they're very inspired by you. And guess what? They want to be just like you, right? So you'll get emails of people saying, hey, Jack, I love your videos. I love how you show New York in such a beautiful way. You always do fun things. Can I collaborate with you? You can say, well, I have 10,000 subscribers. You have a brand new channel with, let's say, 500 subscribers. I'm down to collaborate with you if you have some cool ideas, but it would only make sense for me to do this if it's business, as in if you're offering value in exchange for the shout out I'll be giving you. So you can charge him $500, $1,000, or whatever it makes sense for you guys and what you agree on. But of course, a channel like mine with 5 million subscribers, when I do get offers for a collaboration, I respond with my fees, and I charge as high as $100,000 for a shout out or a collaboration. And you know, the same applies if an artist emails me saying, hey, I love your prank videos, can you use my song in your videos? Well, of course, I have a whole separate sheet of fees I'll send back and say, hey, I would love to use your music. Right now I'm working with another artist, but if you can pay me to use your song and tag you in the description as the owner, as the creator of the song, then I'm down to do that with you. So it's always doing business, right? The problem with a lot of YouTubers is that they're very creative, they're very cool, they're very fun, but most of them are not business savvy. It's almost like hating money. Do you not want to make money? So you have to look at YouTube not just as in a way where you're thinking creatively, you're making fun videos, but you also have to look at it and treat it like a business, right? Because if you're not making as much money from your content, then you're not going to be able to do YouTube full time, because, well, guess what? You have to get a real job outside to pay your bills, pay for your camera, and be able to put as much time onto your video. So this video was about 5 ways I make money as a YouTuber. Of course, I want to make more videos and in-depth videos breaking each one of these ways down and showing you how you can actually set that up and start making money. So subscribe to my channel if you're new. Click right here to watch my previous videos. Click down here to subscribe to my channel. And if you're somebody that's looking for a more serious mentorship program, and if you want to work with me on a personal basis, click right here to go to my website and join my YouTube Growth Mentorship program. See you on the next video, and peace.